Hopefully you guys can't really hear the rain. That's why I'm going to use my mic right now. But it is raining outside. It is gloomy. I think it's just storming the whole day, which is not the best weather condition because Jack and I have to drive to Austin tonight to meet up with our friends. We are going to celebrate our friend's birthday this weekend. So I'm really excited to take you guys along with me on our fun little weekend trip to Austin. If you watched my previous video, I just packed and prepped for the trip. Yeah, right now it is around 4 o'clock and dinner is, I think, at 7. So it's about a 3.5 hour drive. If you do the math, looks like we're going to be a little late. I feel like there's going to be a lot of traffic as well just because of the rain. So let's get on with the drive. Got a hot dog and pizza from Costco.
Your
Finally made it to Austin. That was low-key the longest drive ever.
Day to you.
Wow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're currently at James' birthday party.
yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy.
We're eating chicken, ga, rice, gum. Alright, we're gonna have an ASMR from Francis. Sir, what are you listening on your headphone?
Gangnam Style.
One day, my boyfriend will buy one of these for me.
Mifa?
You're so
So
good!
sweet.
They already cut it in half?
Bagels for bread. Jalapeno cheddar with lime poblano.
Give us a nice little half and fold it back towards you. Yeah, there you go.
Garlic bagel.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Got the bean.
Oh,
Cheers. I started.
Life
We
short.
asked it for toasted. They didn't toast it.
oh, good.
You asked if it was like, the only thing that's different from New York is it's not crispy on the outside.
Yeah, it's not super
Just
airy.
chewy.
Yeah, those look good on you. Are you getting those? We purchased these glasses from Quay. It was buy one, get one free. And Alaya got the same pair, but in black. It looks good. We got matcha with Earl Grey syrup and oat milk. This was $8.90, so this better be good. We'll do a taste test.
Oh, yeah, you have to that's crazy.
Oh, you could really taste
Okay, if you miss it, Jane put it.
Right
Oh,
here.
that's pretty good.
I like it. It's like more creamy and
Yeah,
more of a texture.
yeah. They put a lot of matcha. It's good.
Yeah, I could tell.
I hope it's hot. It just came out.
I like the crust.
Hey, this is
We'll keep it matcha in New York at this.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Dang. Crunch.
Huh?
We are getting ready right now. We're gonna go to Korean pocha to have dinner and also drink a little bit of soju. So it's gonna be fun. Korean pocha place. For dinner, we got a bunch of different foods that we're gonna be sharing family style. We also ordered bulgogi. Let's see if it's good. It's a little bit dry.
This is supposed to be like drunk people food.
Oh, that's why. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. Well, it's actually not even morning anymore. It is afternoon. Literally, we have been planning for 3 hours on what to do today because it's Saturday. Is our last day here before we head out. I don't know. We went from bouldering, pickleball, going to the park, going to Barton Springs, and then now I think we're doing volleyball. I am not sure. We will see what happens. I'm just getting ready now, just doing light makeup, and then we will head out. I think it's the first sunny day out today, and I believe it's gonna hit the 90s, so it's gonna be super hot. I don't even know if I have summer clothes. I don't know if I packed summer clothes, but we will see. We are hiking in the woods of Austin. I think we're at the Pennybacker Bridge. Pretty cool cliff overlook. Where are we going now? What's it called?
Greenbelt.
Oh, Greenbelt. Hiking number 2 at Greenbelt, and I think we're doing the lower trail. Oh wow, we made it! That was it! That was so quick. Good morning vlog. It is Sunday and we are heading back to Dallas right now. Just picking up some Round Rock donuts first before we go for breakfast. Look how long this line is. It wraps around the whole block. cookies, donuts, and an iced latte.
Oh.
Hey! Oh.
It's filled to the brim.
Oh my gosh. Nothing special to it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's try one donut. Whoa. These are the regular glazed ones here, and I think these are the maple iced and chocolate. But we're gonna try a regular. They're known for their regular ones. This one? Oh, look at this one.
Did you see here?
Yeah, you see. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so shiny. It's so soft.
Wow.
Wow. That's really good. And it's not too sweet. Like compared to Krispy Kreme, that place is so sweet.